This is my dream. I want you to feel me right now. This is my dream. I am 56 years old. I'm a dad of five kids, three grandkids, but I'm a golfer. I love golfing. I just have so much passion for golfing because I can get my clubs. I can go out on a course, no matter where I'm at. I can just enjoy the environment that I'm in. So what does this mean? I worked at corporate America for 25 years at Best Buy. Everybody knows Best Buy, right? I think this is my first time I've ever said Best Buy. Um, but I'm blessed and grateful for corporate America that gave me a great life. I have five beautiful children, three grandkids, but my passion is around sports. It is. I am not a Dallas fan, but I'm an Eagles fan. And I love that we have, yeah, no, she's laughing right now. Michelle's laughing right now because it's like, I love what we do. I love what we do. But my goal, oh, today is just a special day because I qualified for a tournament that I am. Yeah, I'm just taken back right now. I qualified for a golf tournament today that I would never imagine that I could possibly qualify for. So I'm overwhelmed emotionally right now. But because I did daily pay, I didn't go back to corporate America. Um, it has been it has been overwhelming. So let me grasp my. I'm sorry, Michelle. I'm sorry. I'm overtaken with emotion right now because I qualified for a golf tournament that I never thought in my wildest dreams that I would ever qualify at 56 years old. I worked so hard to get to reach out to my goals and dreams and really just try to get there. What this business has done for me is I would have went back to corporate America. I ran 1,200 stores in retail. I, my wife is here. All I can say is this business has given me an opportunity to reach for my goals and dreams at 56 years old. I never thought in my wildest dreams that I'd reach and qualify for a golf tournament. It sounds so trivial. It sounds so trivial. It sounds so trivial. We live our lives to work. It's not about working. We just have to find a vehicle. We have to find a vehicle that allows us to live our lives. Like digital marketing. If I could sit there and go back and go, digital marketing is everything. Everything. It's a vehicle to get us to where we want to get to. I'm sorry, Michelle. I'm so sorry. Today was so big for me. And I qualified for one of the biggest tournaments of my life. That's what this business is about. It's not hey, how much money you can make. Yes, I've made over $80,000 in the last 4 months. You have no clue what that has impacted on my life. I am 56 years old and I just plugged in. I made no money for 3.5 months, but because that lady that is sitting there with her blonde hair, she's from Dallas and all those things that she's so great, that she's done so many great things. Yeah, there's I'm all good. I'll talk to you soon.
I just wanted to make sure you're here because your golf clubs are.
I know I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm so sorry. There's so many people coming in right now. They're like they see me work so hard for this moment, and he yeah. I'm just saying this. I worked corporate America for 25 years, and they said, "Hey, you gotta go." 25 years, they have said, "Hey, I didn't have a job after 25 years." I'm just trying to. I'm so sorry. It's one of those moments where you sit there and go like, "Oh, we got this, we got this." But we need money to get to where we need to get to, right? We need to get the money to get to. All I know is this: I'm a 56-year-old dad, 5 kids, 3 grandkids that have loved golf. I love golf. And I'm at the moment where I'm like, I'm actually living my dream. I'm living my dream. And this business, I made $81,000 in 4 months. But I want to share something with you. It's not the epic story. It's not this big, great grandeur of a story where you see all these other people online and go, "Oh, I make $100,000 a month." It's not that. It's not that. I cannot believe I'm crying on this video. My wife is right there. I've tried and struggled so hard to at this moment today. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Just my goals and dreams are one of those moments where you sit there and go, it's possible. There's a moment, and there's people like me that want to see you succeed in an online business. I trust me when I tell you, I get it. I get it. You said like like a linebacker. Like I'm 6'3", 251. Okay, 263, but that's a whole nother side. But I'm here for it. I'm a big time Eagles fan. I'm born and raised in Philadelphia. All I know is that I've tried and struggled to get to like my dream, my dream. Yeah. You made me sit there and go, I'm trying to get out of my job, but I'm sitting there and telling you, I'm trying to get to my dream. I'm not trying to get to my job. I've worked really, really hard in my dream and my work, and I've made great money in my career. All I know is this business has beyond anything that I could possibly imagine, has given me things that I can't even describe. I can't even describe. And there are people that are in here tonight that are like, "Can I follow you on TikTok?" I'm like, they're live and they're like, "What are you doing?" I don't care what your dream is. I don't care what your thoughts are. I can only tell you there's people here that will do everything they can for you if you just show up. I'm in a room that they cleared the room out me. They cleared the room out me for me. There's nobody in this room. I wish I could show you the room. No, I'm trying to show you the room. I know. I'm so sorry, Michelle. I'm so sorry. You have no idea what this means for me between the business and what I've worked for. Yeah, you have no idea. I'm sorry. I'm just grateful between the business and the work that I put in golf and what I'm trying to do. Yeah, I don't know. I'm telling you, you're at the right place. There's so many people that will do whatever they need to do to get you to where you want to get to, not where they're trying to get to.
This has been amazing. First of all, congratulations on making it to that tournament.
Yeah, I
You know, if
qualified.
you were
I
in corporate
qualified.
world, it wouldn't have happened.
Yeah, I qualified.
This is great because I love what you said. It wasn't about you, it was about, discovering your dream and going after your dream, and you are living proof that it's possible because you didn't know anything about social media. And now you're here and you've made 81,000 in 4 months and you're living your dream. And you're able to do that because you have that time freedom. So we appreciate you so much.
That's
And
all right.
awesome. No, this is great. Thank you for sharing. This has been impactful for all of us, seriously.
Not what I was thinking was going to happen, that's for sure.
Oh, I get it. I know, I get it. Yeah, the raw emotions are great. Yes, yes. And you have no idea how good it makes me feel that you, my friend, are living your dream. Because life is too short not to go after that dream we want to live. So thank you for allowing us to experience this with you and see why this is so important to do, because then we can live our dreams.